is I want to sketch in the sailing boat at sea. Now, nice and straightforward for this. I'm going to do it quite large. So we're going to start off by actually bringing in, you'll notice by the way that I've stuck it down on all four sides. So we'll start off by bringing in the pencil line that sweeps down like so. And then we're going to bring a line down the center. Now, people often ask me, what pencil am I using? Well, you can see here that the pencil is actually a 2B pencil, so quite a useful tool. And these are my favorite pencils, these 2B pencils. It just seems to be the right level of strength of color. So that line comes down without it scarring the paper. That's the thing with the pencil as well. That comes down there like so. And then we'll bring that down as well. And then we'll drop it over. So that's how we're looking so far. Now in front of this, we're going to bring in a bit of a wavy line, a bit of a wavy pencil line. We're going to get some crashing waves up against this yacht here. Perfect. We'll do another one of those coming down in front of it. So it's quite important that we get these pencil lines in. And, you know, put a fair bit of pressure on your pencil when you're doing this. You don't put a huge amount on, but put a fair amount of pressure on, and then you're good to go. Now, on the top of this, we're going to grab a ruler and we're going to sketch in the actual mast of the boat. Now, this is going to go from about here on a nice angle. I want to get some drama to this, so we're going to go up quite a way, like so. And then we'll put in the sails. Now, if you want some measurements for this, the actual width of the hull is around 2 inches, which is about 5 centimeters. The height of the mast so far is about 7 centimeters, which is 2.5 inches. That will grow. They always grow in size, does the mast. And then what we'll do here is we'll come down and we'll bring the back of the sail in. So that angle gives it drama. What we'll do next is we'll go from the same point and we'll sketch in a little bit of a curve. This goes down to where the mast meets the hull. Bring that straight forward. And then we'll come down on a slight curve. So you've got that bellowed effect. You can see where we're going with this. Now, to get a greater level of a bellow, you can actually pop a little line curved up like this. Now, all the tones will get added with pencil here. Just want to make sure that we're okay with this. That's a little bit wide to me, so I'm just going to reduce the width of this. I'm just going to use a normal rubber or a razor just to take that out a little bit. And then I'm just going to come down like so. Make that a little bit wider at the front or the bow. That's the right description, I believe it is. Sketching a double line here, and that's ready